Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pausing and assessing the situation. Do not force the device or cut the garment because that risks damage and sets off alarms. Once done, check for a receipt, order confirmation, or original store where you bought it. These prove ownership. Make sure to identify the tag type at a glance, hard tag versus ink tag, so you know which authorized method is needed. You should act calmly and preserve evidence like tags and packaging for the next step. You should contact the seller or return to the store with your receipt and the item. That's the correct route. Once you call customer service, provide the order number and explain the tag issue so they can prepare tools or a manager. Make sure to ask for authorized staff to remove the device. This prevents damage and legal concerns. If you purchased online, ask about a local partner or return label so the retailer can resolve it safely and document the removal. You finish by resolving the issue through the retailer, or, if needed, escalating. If the alarm triggers during exit, remain calm, present your receipt, and request manager verification. Once done, if the seller is unreachable, contact the manufacturer or local consumer protection agency for guidance rather than attempting improvised removal. Make sure to document communications and keep the tagged garment intact until an authorized person removes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.